my collection of ghillie suits. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. I have two of these ghillie suits. They came with the U.S. Army Rangers long-range snipers. I had bought one, I got the other one in a trade. They're really nice. They come with this hat. It's kind of like a domed piece of fabric. Has a chin strap and then this burlap on top. Then the outfit itself has camouflage arms. The front has two snaps or two buttons. Then the pants has a button. The back and the legs of the suit is covered with this burlap fabric, which I think looks really nice for scale ghillie suits. This next one is a U.S. Marine Corps sniper. I didn't buy this one, I got it in a trade. The hat for it is a regular boonie hat with this fabric netted into the top seam and then around the sides. The thing that bums me out about this, though, is that there's no chin strap. So if you put it on your figure's head, the head is not big enough, it'll actually fall off. Which I could eventually just add a chin strap for it, which I probably will. I have three of these. They're a jumpsuit with the netted fabric sewn into the seams along the arms and then along the side going down the legs. Really nice zipper. Very well constructed. There's also some Velcro straps around the boots area. Only one of my jumpsuits has the original label in it. It's a G.I. Joe by Hasbro in China. These next ghillie suits are ones that I've made. I made one to go along with this outfit. This outfit is one I created using scrap fabric I found in a remnant bin. This outfit, I made a pair of pants, a shirt and a jacket, and then this vest. And it's just loaded with pockets. All these pockets are functional. None of them are just fake. They're real pockets. The sniper jacket that goes with this set, I used a Ken doll pattern to create it and just altered it to fit my G.I. Joes, which wasn't too hard. This outfit can fit action figures up to 12 inches tall. These classic collection figures are just a little over 11 inches, so they still fit really well. The jacket has scrap fabric I've sewn all over the place. It has a built-in hood. There's a sort of mohawk thing built on the hood out of the fabric to create the ghillie look. There's a loop that goes around the hood and kind of comes up over the action figure's face to create a sort of mask. The arms are sewn or made just like the Marine Corps sniper suit by Hasbro. And this are also actually made from the same type of fabric. It's like a fabric netting. I went a little crazy with the scrap fabric and just put it everywhere to create a ghillie suit of my own. This next one I made, I actually created a bag that it fits in. You fold it up and put it in this bag. Then when you're ready to use it, it folds out. The bag is attached to the back of the shirt or the jacket. This jacket is also a kin pattern that I altered to fit my G.I. Joes. And it will also fit up to 12-inch action figures because of that. I don't remember if I created any snaps. I think I did with this one. It's multiple camo pattern. I think I used old t-shirt to make the main part of the jacket. Then the hood and sleeves are made out of different fabric. Unlike the hood on my last one, this hood is made out of a solid piece of fabric instead of that netted type. Then the sleeves are made the same way as my second one. This is actually the first one I've made. The bag on the back here can be pushed up underneath the shirt or just hang kind of off the action figure if you wish. I usually just let it hang there. Also works as a built-in seat, I guess. The hood is also just loaded with this scrap fabric pattern, or the scrap fabric. I used different things like bandanas and different type of scrap fabric to build up the ghillie suit. Ghillie suits are actually fun to make. I encourage anybody to at least give it a try. If you ever need patterns, I have a bunch saved that I could send you. I stock up on patterns. In total, I have like 6 ghillie suits. 2 of them were the long-range sniper ones, and then 3 of them are the Marine Corps. Then I have 2 of the ones I created myself. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you wanted to see more videos like this. I upload once a week. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.